Alright, so right now I'm getting ready to install the high intensity mini Maxx off-road light kit and also the underbody LED light kit. So let's get that installed and see what it looks like. So actually, let me see what's does it have anything here? So what's in the box? I'll go through that right quick with you guys. The front bumper with LED light bar, rear bumper with LED light bar, roof skid with front and rear LED light bars, accessory power supply, power tap, installation hardware, and you're gonna need a body reamer to install it. So that's what's in the box. Over here includes 2 Nerf bars with pre-installed lights. There we go. Here's the actual lights. Let's take a look at that right quick. Not bad. Alright, alright. Alright, so I got a bunch of screws here and some zip ties and whatever this is, don't know, we'll find out. Looks like for the wires or something. There's the roof rack, which also has lights on it. Not bad. Alright, throw that aside. Alright, so here's a template you're gonna have to throw on. So you know where to drill the holes. It's showing what, 6 millimeters and also an 8. Here's the other part of whatever we threw aside over here. There's the power supply. And that's pretty much it for that. Alright, so after you got your template on, you got to remount the holes on here. So you got the 4.6 millimeters and the 8 millimeter over here, which is probably for the wires. So let me get my reamer and I'll get that done right quick. Alright, so I got all the holes ringed out on the roof of the body. Next step is to get your roof skid plate, get the wire, and feed it through that center hole. So I'm going to push mine through, which I probably made a little too small, but I'm going to push it through anyways. And let's see, line this up. I want to push these through the hole. It's good. Alright, that's on. I'm going to grab this part, and this is going to go, let's see here, just like this. I believe this is going to have to run through here. Hopefully I'm right. Got that, then grab 4 of the screws that you got with the kit. There are 2 screws that are different, so make sure you're not using those. And then I believe there are 6 of the other ones. So you're going to use 4 right here. Alright, I'm going to remove the front bumper. It's just 2 screws, just so you know. It's just 2 screws here, man. I'm going to remove those. And we're going to reuse these same 2 to mount the new front bumper onto it. Alright, front bumper is off. Let's grab the new front one. So I have here. You're gonna route this wire right through the bumper here. Just like that. Get this new one on. All right, front one is on. I'm going to turn around here and remove the back one, and that is also 2 screws. All right. And then we're going to grab the new one. And let's see here. Let's see. That's also going to get routed through the bumper here. Where does this go? That way? Nah. It goes this way. Alright. Just like that. Whoop. Whoop. All right. All right. Now we got the back one on. Alright, so the next step would be to install your power supply here. So that's going to go right up front here. Going to mount it onto these things here. Just like this. I think these 2 wires should go to your motor side this way. So get one on and through. Alright, so that's on. Alright, so the next step is to attach the power tap to the ESC connector. So we're going to grab this part, and you're going to need this one over here. You're going to want to make sure that your red wire and your black wire match up. This is going to go in through the back side of the connector. So my red and black wires do match up. So you're going to slide that right in, just like that. Alright, then grab this part here and throw it on. Let's see, do I got it the right way? No, I do not. It goes this way, just like that. See that? Now you want to get your 2 last screws that you have here and get this tightened down. Boom. Moving that's on. Just the way we want it. Alright, so now we just got to get all this stuff wired up. So I'm going to start with the front lights. Going to bring that wire all the way to... I'm going to go with this one right here coming from the power supply. And plug that one in. Not this side one here. That's not the one you want. You want this one here. And plug that into the power supply. So that's on. Then this other separate one that's coming from the front lights, you're going to get your connector from the tail light. That's also got a side plug too, but we're not using that one. We're going to go with this and plug it in to the back bumper, which, just looking at it, I don't know how this is going to get tied down anywhere and out of the way, but I guess there's enough there. But we'll see. I think if you're just going to bash the hell out of this truck, I really don't see the point of these lights, but but it is what it is. But anyways, those are connected. What you want to do, get your body close enough to where you can plug it in. So get that plug, and that's going to go straight to the other wire. Get this out of the way. It's going to be tough to show you guys, but there's another wire there coming from the power supply. So get that plugged in. Alright. So that's on. It's up to you to figure out. It doesn't even tell you where to route these wires on the instructions. So it's up to you to figure out where you want them and how you want them. Which doesn't look like it's going to be easy. But I'll let you figure that out. I'm going to unplug the... Well, I'm going to unplug them all for now. That was just to show you where they go. So we're going to unplug that. Throw the body back to the side. And we'll get started on the under body LED lights. So let's get started with that. And to do that, you're going to need the same 2mm hex wrench that you were using before. And you're going to be removing probably, I would say, 3 screws on each side. You're going to remove the Nerf bars. I believe that's what they're called, Nerf bars, on each side. So I'm going to start with this side here. Here's one. You're going to be using the same screws, so. Alright. Here we go. So got those two out. So now on the top side here, I think we're going to remove this one. Not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure it's this one. So we're going to remove that. Going to remove the other side. Alright, that one's out. With the truck back over here this way. Alright, so get your new lights. You're looking at exactly how they're going to go on. Wire to the back. So you pretty much just set it on top of the RC. Just like this. You see these parts here on the back. It's going to go right where you removed the 2 screws. So just to keep it in place, I'm gonna throw the 2 back screws on right now. That one's on. And tighten it down. Alright, so get the body back over here. Let me plug in everything that I disconnected earlier. Alright, so everything's wired back in. Now your new ones are just gonna go to the only remaining one that you got left, that one that we didn't use earlier, that's coming from the rear bumper. So we'll get that plugged in. Alright, there we go, guys. All installed. Everything looks to be working. Got the underlights working. Got your front bumper is on. The skid plate is on. There's the tail lights. Got one up here too. Yeah, it looks pretty good, man.